Hello students, welcome to Magesh classes. This is Magesh Kumar. In this presentation we are going to discuss about the easy way to classify the alcohols into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Students, it is very important to classify the alcohols in the examination point of view. Let me give one example. Classify the following alcohols into primary, secondary, tertiary. One more question. Which of the following alcohols give red coloration in Victor Mayer test? To answer this question, you have to find out the way to classify the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. This presentation will help you to classify the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols in an easy way. Let us move into the question part.
Classification of alcohols from the formula. So when the formula is given, how can we classify? And using the common name and from the IUPAC name, you can classify the alcohols. I am going to tell the easy way. The first one, using the formula, the primary alcohol, 1-degree alcohol, the general characteristic group CH2OH. By seeing this, you can easily classify it is primary. And the secondary alcohol having the characteristic group CHOH. Tertiary alcohol, the characteristic group is COH. And from the common name, the primary alcohol prefix is normal and iso. Iso only exceptional. The isopropyl is secondary. Okay, and other normal and isos are primary. And the prefix secondary is for the secondary alcohol. Here is secondary alcohol. And in case of tertiary alcohol, the prefix you have tertiary. Okay, we will discuss some examples with this easy tricks. Then from IUPAC name, the IUPAC name ends with the suffix 1-al. And in the case of secondary alcohol, the other numbers, that is 2-al, or the 3-al, or the 4-al, 2-al, 3-al, 4-al. And in case of tertiary alcohol, same 2-al, 3-al, 4-al, but here substituted 2 substituted 2-al, 3 substituted 2-al. That means in the position another group is substituted. Okay. Now see the examples and classifications. Let us apply these tricks to the examples. See the first example, the formula is given. In the formula, the characteristic group is the CHOH. The characteristic group here is the CHOH. From the formula, the CH2OH is primary. And in the case of secondary, CHOH. And in tertiary, COH. Okay. Here the formula is CHOH, so it is secondary. Okay, students. Then isobutyl alcohol. In isobutyl alcohol, the term prefix iso is there. From the common name, the normal, the iso terms are present, it is primary. And for secondary, the prefix secondary is there. And for tertiary, the prefix tertiary is there. Here the prefix iso is present. Iso is for the primary alcohol. Here one exception, isopropyl alcohol is the secondary. Okay, so this is the primary. And the tertiary pentyl alcohol, the common name is given and the prefix is here tertiary, and so it is tertiary alcohol. Okay, and 2-methyl 3-captanol. The fourth one, the IUPAC name is given. The IUPAC name is 2-methyl-3-ketanol. From the IUPAC nomenclature, all 1-ols are primary and other numbers 2-ol, 3-ol, 4-ol are secondary, and 2 substituted 2-ol or 3 substituted 3-ol are the tertiary. Okay. Here see the position of number OL is in the third position, so it is the secondary alcohol. 2-ol, 3-ols are secondary, so the compound is secondary. Okay. Then 3-pentanol. 3-pentanol, the position of alcohol is 3, so it is secondary. Okay. 1-ol, other than 1-ol, all numbers are secondary. So here 3-ol, here 3-ol, but the substitution in the second position. See this example, that is 2-methyl-2-propanol. This example, the position of alcohol is in the second position. At the same time, the substitution in the second position. 2 substituted 2-ol. So it is a tertiary. Okay, students. The example 7, N-butyl alcohol. Prefix N is there, so it is primary. The 8th one, the formula is given. The characteristic group is CH2OH, and so it is primary alcohol. Okay. In the 9th example, the IUPAC name is given. It is 2-hexanol. So other than 1-ol, all are secondary. So it is secondary alcohol. Clear? And the 10th one, it is 3-methyl-3-hexanol. The all position is in the 3, and at the same time, the place is substituted by the methyl group. So 3-3. So it is tertiary alcohol. Okay. And the 11th one, it is very careful. See the position of the all group. Here the 2-hexanol, the position of the all is 2, and the substitution is in the 3. So it is secondary or tertiary. It is a secondary alcohol because it is 2-ol, but the substitution in the other place. Next one, 3-methyl-2-hexanol. The position of the all is 2, and the substitution in the other places, and so it is secondary. See the previous one, here the 3-methyl-3-hexanol, the position and the substitution in the same position, so it is tertiary alcohol. 3-phenyl-3-pentanol, it is same, and so it is tertiary alcohol. 2-chloro-2-propanol, it is a tertiary alcohol, and 4-octanol, it is a secondary alcohol. Okay. 15th question, 2,2-dimethyl-propanol. I have given for your practice. Classify the alcohol and write the answer in the comment box. Okay. So I hope that this easy way to classification of the alcohol is useful to you. Thank you for watching.